Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making brown butter chocolate chip cookies. But these are not just your ordinary brown butter chocolate chip cookies, because this is my own special recipe that I have developed after making many batches of chocolate chip cookies in different ways with different ingredients. This is the recipe. Follow it. You will love it. These are delicious caramelly chocolate chip cookies that are divine. Are there some secrets involved? Oh yes, the secret ingredients of espresso. There's a little bit of vinegar in it as well. And don't forget that refrigeration time is a must. I'm also making these because here we go. The cookies are near. I've made a mini version. Been baking for almost 2 years. Learned a lot. Said farewell to my fears of making, because I did it my way, which I am sharing with you today. This is a very personal, special chocolate chip cookie recipe. Let's get baking. Step 1, mix your dry ingredients. Step 2, let's make that brown butter. Step 3, let's mix the brown butter with the sugars and mix everything else in. And then last step, those chocolate chips, and then the refrigeration, and then we bake them, and then we get to eat yummy cookies. 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Here's that espresso powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Whisk together. 16 tablespoons unsalted butter. Turn on your heat and mix it around until it becomes an amber color. Once the top of it starts to get that ambery color, we are there. Take it off the stove, let it cool for a moment, and then mix in the sugars. Gently pour it in. It's okay, you can take those bits out if you want, but you can keep them in because it's going to make it a little bit toasty and nutty flavored, which is what brown butter will do. It will just make it a little bit nuttier flavoring. You don't need to do that. You could just use softened butter as well. 3/4 cup granulated sugar. 3/4 cup dark brown sugar. This will make it more caramelly like cookie. Gently mix together. 2 teaspoons vanilla. 1 teaspoon vinegar. Add your eggs. Add the dry ingredients. Add your chocolate chips. The most important part is the refrigeration. I know you want to bake these cookies right away, but trust me, stick it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Quite frankly, it's even better if you left them there overnight or even 48 hours. I know it would be excruciating to wait that long, but it will make a much better cookie. It will be chewier on the inside, crispy on the outside. Texture will be fantastic. It will also give that flour time to fully absorb the sugars and the butters and everything. And it's going to make a more caramelly-like cookie, which is what you want from your chocolate chip cookies. So wait at least 30 minutes, longer if you can. While your cookie dough is chilling, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Using a 2 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon scoop, scoop out your cookie dough. Bake for about 13 minutes. The cookies are a little brown around the edges, which is just what you want. Taking them out. Oh, yum. I'm going to move them over and let them cool just a little bit. Then we're going to taste them, eat them. Look at this chocolate chip cookie. I know what you're thinking. It might be smaller width-wise, but look at that height. You know why? Because refrigeration works. It helps the cookie not spread quite as much, making the exterior crispy and the interior nice and chewy. These are warm, so I'm going to break it open. Ooh, yes. Look at that. It's a nice, thick chocolate chip cookie. Delicious. Let's give it a taste. This is chocolate chip cookie heaven. Crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside. It does have a deeper flavor because of the espresso powder. And you don't even taste the vinegar at all, but it helps that reaction with the baking powder and baking soda. The brown butter makes it slightly nuttier, but really, what does it? Refrigeration. It is a big deal. I've kept a second batch in my refrigerator, which I will bake tomorrow or the day after. Who knows? Could be a nice surprise for the afternoon. If I can make my very own chocolate chip cookie my way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what recipes you'd like me to make, and check me out on Instagram.